Question 14. Read the given statements and state T for true, F for false one. A compound can be broken down into its constituent elements by chemical method. Correct? This is true. A compound always contains the same element combined together chemically in a fixed ratio. Compound elements, yes, this is also true. A compound retains the property of its constituent element. No, constituent elements can be different. The properties of compound changes when the constituent elements they combine and form a compound, right? So this is false. 4. When two or more elements or compounds are brought together, they always react chemically. This is two or more elements or compounds are brought together, they always react chemically. So this is not always possible. Okay. Okay. Tap water is a compound. Tap water is a compound. No. Tap water is having, it is not a pure compound. No. So this is also a false statement. So our correct answer is option number B. Question number 15. Ayushi, a class 7 student, tested the nature of the common substance with the help of acid-base indicator and noted down her observation in the given table. Substance P, Q, R and S could be respectively. So here we can understand that P in phenolphthalein indicator it is colorless, China rose indicator it is dark pink, and with methyl orange indicator it is red. So P can be colorless pink only in colorless in P. So P can be any neutral substance because China rose dark pink, methyl orange is acids, red, dark pink, colorless. Okay. Q is pink, green and yellow. R is colorless, pink and orange. S is colorless. So here as P is phenolphthalein is colorless, so phenolphthalein remains colorless in cases of neutral and in cases of acidic, right? China rose turns dark pink in cases of acids, okay? And methyl orange becomes red in cases of acid and in yellow in cases of bases. So let's see the options. Turmeric juice, P is turmeric juice, window cleaner, soap solution and lime. Okay, so from here we can understand that P can be any slightly acidic juice. Okay, so Q is pink, green and yellow, so it is basic in nature. R colorless, pink and orange, so there is no change. So this is a neutral one. Colorless, dark pink and red, so this is acidic, right? So our correct answer should be C. Question number 16. 3 salt solutions are given as X is potassium sulfate solution, Y is sodium carbonate solution, Z is ammonium sulfate solution. Which of the following statement is correct regarding these salts? X will have some effect on red litmus paper as the common salt solution. This is correct. Why? Because X is KSO4. Okay. Potassium sulfate. Okay. This is a correct one. Y will have same effect on turmeric paper as the milk of magnesia, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Yes, this is also correct. Ammonium sulfate will have same effect on blue litmus paper as the lemon juice. Yes, it is acidic. It is so this is also correct. So our correct answer, the incorrect statement is none of this. All are correct. Question number 18. Observe the question number. Okay. In 2 slides, there is question number 18. So question number 18 is match the columns and select the correct option from the given codes. So column 1 is common name, column 2 is chemical name, and column 3 is use. Okay. Calamine. Calamine is zinc carbonate. Okay. And the use is and string remedy. Quicklime. Quicklime is calcium oxide, and calcium oxide is used to reduce the acidity of the soil. Salt lime. Salt lime is calcium hydroxide and it is used in whitewashing. Baking soda. Baking soda, we all know that baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, Na2CO3, and this is used as Na2CO3 can be used in indigestion remedy. And vinegar. Vinegar is acidic in nature. So vinegar is acetic acid, and acetic acid is used in the wasp sting remedy. So our correct answer is option number B. Question number 19. A few changes are listed in the box. Burning of a candle, burning of LPG in kitchen, burning of kerosene wick stove, burning of biogas, burning of paper, burning of firecrackers, burning of magnesium ribbon. Now read the given passage and fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. Okay. All the changes listed in the box are P in nature. So here we can understand that all the changes burning, these are all exothermic. Okay. Changes Q are pure chemical change. Which changes are chemical change? Burning of candle, no. Burning of LPG in kitchen, chemical, no. Burning of kerosene wick stove, no. Burning of biogas, yes. 4. Chemical. Burning of paper, yes. New thing is formed, ashes. Burning of firecrackers, yes. Burning of magnesium ribbon, yes. These are all chemical change. While changes are both chemical, physical and chemical. That is burning of candle, burning of LPG in kitchen, burning of kerosene wick stove. So our correct answer is option number D. Question number 20. Select the incorrect match. Potassium hydroxide is used in alkaline batteries. Correct. Magnesium hydroxide is used as antiperspirants. Correct. Calcium hydroxide is used as fungicide. Correct. So none of the matches are incorrect. Question number 21. Study the given Venn diagram. Center point X represents. So it is a chemical change, it is an undesirable change, and it is an irreversible change. Heating an iron rod to red hot. This is not a chemical change. Expansion of an iron rim on heating. This is not a chemical change. Rusting of iron gate on exposure to moist air. Undesirable change. Irreversible change. Chemical change. Yes. Contraction of metal track in winter. No. So our correct answer is option number C. This is a chemical change. This is an undesirable change. And this is an irreversible change. Once the iron gate has rusted, we will never get it back. Question number 22. A few substances are listed in the box. Sulfuric acid, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, formic acid, tartaric acid, and nitric acid. Now read the given passage and select the correct option. Substance P. Substance P are strong mineral acids. Which are strong mineral acids? Sulfuric acid. Let me write here. Sulfuric acid is a strong mineral acid. Nitric acid is a strong mineral acid. 1 and 10. Okay. While substance Q are weak organic acid. Weak organic acid is weak organic. Formic acid, this is 8, and tartaric acid, 9. Aqueous solution of substance R will turn China rose indicator green. Just now I said China rose indicator turns green in cases of bases. Okay, so it will be sodium bicarbonate is a base, sodium hydroxide is a base, 3, 2, 3, ammonium hydroxide is a base, 4. While substance S will have no effect on China rose indicator. So no effect on China rose indicator, that means it will remain red in color, right? So in case of neutral, so it will be sodium sulfate, that is 5, and then sodium chloride, neutral solutions, 7. So our correct answer is option number A. Question number 23, select the correct statement. Turmeric paper can be used to distinguish between an acid and neutral, acidic and neutral material. No. Turmeric paper cannot be used to differentiate between acidic and neutral material because it will remain yellow only. So this is false. Hydrochloric acid burns the skin and sodium hydroxide is harsh on skin, but the product formed by neutralization reaction between two is edible. Yes. So HCl is a strong acid, it will burn the skin. NaOH is harsh. So the neutralization, so HCl plus NaOH becomes NaCl. Okay. So NaCl is a edible salt, table salt. So this is true. When sulfuric acid is mixed with lime, sodium sulfate is formed. No. Calcium sulfate will be formed. This is false. Reaction between an acid and a base always result in the formation of a neutral salt. Neutralization happens and a neutral salt is also formed, but depends on whether the acid is strong or the base is strong. Okay, so this is also a false statement. Aqua regia contains hydrochloric acid and nitric acid in the ratio 3:1. This is a true statement. So 2 and 5 are the correct one. So our correct answer is option number B. Question number 24. Observe the given experimental setup carefully, in which test tube rusting of iron nails will not take place. So here oil is there, boiled water is there, and inside the iron nails are present. In the second one, Q, iron nails and soda lime is present, and in the third one, tap water and the iron nails. Okay. In which test tube rusting of iron will not take place. So here we can understand that because of the presence of oil in test tube P, the air is not coming in contact with the nails. So in P, there will be no rusting. And in Q also, there will be no rusting. So our correct answer is option number A. Coming to the 25th question, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct statement regarding animal X, Y, and Z. So here we can see that X is sharing all the 3 circles. So Y is having streamlined body, Z is having streamlined body but breathe through lungs, and X is having wings, have streamlined body and breathes through lungs. So we have to find out the correct statement. Always keep this in mind, the correct statement. Okay. The first statement says X could possess feathers, whereas Y could possess scales. So X having wings, having lungs and streamlined body, birds, they can possess feathers, but Y having streamlined body possess scales. So this is a correct statement. Let's see. Y could be oviparous. So Y is a fish, X is a bird. Till now we can understand this. Y could be oviparous organism where X could be Z could be viviparous organisms. Let's see. Z breathes through lungs and a streamlined body. Yes. Z can be viviparous animal that gives birth. And Y, fish, they produce eggs. They are oviparous. So this is also a correct statement. Both X and Z could regulate their body temperature. X is a bird and Z is a mammal, right? So yes, they can regulate their body temperature. So all statements are correct. So our correct answer is option number D. Question number 26. Refer to the given flow chart regarding reproduction in plants and select the correct statement regarding X, Y, and Z. Fusion of gametes takes place. No is X. Yes. Pollen grains transferred from from anther to stigma of same flower of a plant. Yes is Y. No is P. So Y can be a plant that has that undergoes self-pollination. Z could be any plant that undergoes cross-pollination. And fusion of gametes takes place? No. X can be any other plants where the fusion, they are reproducing through different vegetative paths or other asexual mode of reproduction. Right? So let's see. X could produce a large number of plants in a very short time. Yes, if they are using different vegetative method for the propagation. So definitely they will produce a large number of plants. This is a correct statement. In castor and maize plant, both possess Y and Z can both processes Y and Z can prevent fertilization. So castor and maize, Y and Z, Y is self-pollination, Z is a cross-pollination, can prevent fertilization. No, this is a wrong statement. Option C says assured seeds set is possible even in absence of pollinators in process Y. Process Y is a process of self-pollination. So, in process of self-pollination, the different agents that are involved in the pollination method, okay, so those are not required. So, in that case, they can propagate themselves. The anther can come to the stigma in their natural process. So, this is also a correct statement. So, our correct answer is option number D, where option A and C both are the correct statement.